Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. I took my job, so I built a business that can't be replaced. And I'm here to teach you how to do exactly that. Right now, the world is in a transition. Automation, machine learning, chatbots, and generative AI are no longer coming soon. They're already here, already working, and already replacing people. Coders are being replaced. Designers are losing gigs to AI tools. Even writers, voice artists, and consultants are seeing a shift in demand. And if it hasn't hit your industry yet, it probably will. But instead of complaining, panicking, or playing victim, what you need to do is evolve. The question isn't, how do I protect my job from AI? The question is, how do I build something I can't compete with? Let me break this down like a teacher to a third grader. AI is excellent at repetition, prediction, and pattern recognition. But where AI still struggles, deeply, is in emotion, trust, brand building, human connection, creative intuition, and adaptability in real-world messy situations. That's your advantage. So how do we turn that advantage into a business that thrives? First, you need to start thinking like a value creator, not a job seeker. AI replaces people who only do tasks. But it can't replace people who build systems, solve new problems, or offer deeply personalized services. Think local service businesses. AI can't mow your lawn, fix your pipes, paint your house, or negotiate with your landlord. That's step one. Look around at what businesses in your area rely on human touch. Car detailing, home organization, coaching, tutoring, videography, photography, fitness training. All these can be supercharged with AI tools, but not replaced. Second, if you want to build something that scales, you need to shift from labor-based income to leverage-based income. There are three types of leverage AI can't own: content, community, and capital. Let me explain. Content: if you become a voice in your industry, a creator, a teacher, or a guide, then you attract attention. And attention is money. People don't follow AI, they follow people. If your face, your voice, and your insights become trusted, you can monetize that attention in endless ways. You can sell courses, offer consulting, build digital products, or affiliate with brands. That's why you're watching this channel. Because we built trust. You can do it too. Community: build a tribe around your brand. AI doesn't build Facebook groups, host meetups, or answer DMs with heart. You do. If you start a Discord server, a WhatsApp group, or a small mastermind around your business niche, you've built something AI cannot replicate: loyalty and belonging. Business isn't just about the product, it's about who's behind it. Build a business around your personality, your values, and your community, and you'll win even when AI floods the market with cheaper options. Capital: if you understand money, you own the game. Use AI tools to reduce costs, speed up tasks, and make your business more efficient. Then invest what you save. Learn how to flip cash-flowing assets. Buy vending machines. Invest in local rentals. Start a car rental business. License a product. Buy digital real estate like aged domains, online communities, or newsletter lists. The goal: don't work harder, work smarter. Let money work for you, while you focus on growth. Now let's get even more practical. Want a business that's AI-proof? Start offering done-for-you services where trust and quality matter. Think branding studios, video production teams, personalized coaching, high-end event planning, or boutique marketing agencies. I can suggest logos, but clients still want someone to listen to their story and make their brand feel unique. I can write articles, but high-paying clients still want a human who understands tone, market positioning, and edits with care. I can build basic websites, but it can't sell a vision, hold discovery calls, or troubleshoot with empathy. You're not just selling deliverables, you're selling certainty, time saved, and peace of mind. That's where AI fails. That's where you win. Or, let's say you don't want to do services. Cool. Then build a brand-led product business. Not dropshipping or random Amazon FBA garbage. I'm talking about building a niche brand that connects with a specific audience. Example, eco-conscious pet owners. Young moms into Montessori toys. Streetwear for gamers. Health snacks for shift workers. Whatever it is, the product isn't the main thing, the brand is. People buy from brands they vibe with. And AI doesn't vibe. That's your moat. Worried about how to get started? Don't be. Here's a beginner game plan. Pick a niche where human connection matters. Find a pain point in that niche. Offer a service or product that solves that pain. Use AI as your intern, not your replacement. Let it write your outlines, generate ideas, make checklists, analyze data. But you show up to connect with customers. Then, slowly systemize your work. Hire humans where emotion and creativity matter. Automate everything else. Reinvest your profits into assets that work without you. That's how you build a business AI can't replace. That's how you flip fear into freedom. AI is not your enemy. Laziness is. Complacency is. Ignorance is. The winners of this new age will be those who learn fast, adapt fast, and move smart. And I want you to be one of them. So if you're sitting there scared, stressed, and unsure of what's next, remember this: you are more than your job title. You are a thinker, a creator, a builder. Don't wait for permission. Don't buy into the doom and gloom. Build a business that's ungoogleable. Build something real. I took your job. Good. Now you're free. Free to start something better. Free to build something that matters. Free to create a life no robot can ever live. If this fired you up, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because every week, I'm dropping strategies, business breakdowns, and real ways to create freedom in a world of uncertainty. This is Fahaam's Financial Freedom, and we're not playing defense, we're building empires. Let's go.